McDonald's reward points, how to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use McDonald's rewards points, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use your McDonald's reward point, you have to first download the McDonald's app. Now if you're on the US, you have McDonald's. If you're on the UK, you have My McDonald's. So depending upon which country you're from, download your respective applications here. And once you download your McDonald's app, you're gonna see this sort of interface over here. And as you see it right here at the center, you can see rewards and deals. So you can tap on rewards and deals. Now of course you want to make sure to simply sign in with your account, which is your McDonald's account, and once you've done that, you should be able to use your points. This way you can go ahead and then use your reward point on McDonald's app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.